Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install extensions in LibreOffice in 2026. If you want to add new features, improve productivity, or customize how LibreOffice works, extensions are a great way to do it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. From the main window, click on the Tools menu located at the top of the screen. Next, select Extension Manager from the drop-down menu. This is where you can view, install, update, and manage all LibreOffice extensions. Now download the extension you want from a trusted source and save the extension file to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, return to the Extension Manager and click the Add button. Next, browse to the location of the extension file, select it, and click Open. LibreOffice will begin the installation process automatically. If a license agreement appears, read the information and click Accept to continue. Now wait for the installation to finish. Depending on the extension, the process may take a few moments. Once installed, you may be asked to restart LibreOffice. If prompted, close the application and open it again so the extension loads correctly. Next, verify that the extension is working by checking for new menu options, tools, or features added by the extension. Finally, if you no longer need an extension, you can return to Extension Manager and remove or disable it at any time. And that's it. You've successfully installed an extension in LibreOffice and expanded its functionality with new tools and features. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.